Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our control valve, this one. And now let's check the details for you. Firstly, you can see the outside packages is this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the product SKU. The product is F00ZC01305. Actually, for this kind of logo, the labeled packages, etc., we can satisfy your customized service. So if you have these needs, please feel free to contact us. And now I will open it to see the inside. Wow, let's check the inside. And for this one, you can see here, the inside we use this kind of transparent bottles to packages. It's very hard. It can be better protect the product during the transportation. So you don't need to worry about anything we hurt the inside product safely. And now I will rolling it. You can see the oil paper, right? It's the oil paper. Generally, we use the oil paper to wrap it up. Well, that's our valve assembly. For this one, we not only sealing the whole side, we also sell it separate parts like the valve cap, the valve rods. And here, if you look carefully, you will find here with the coating figures on the valve cap. And for product, we have the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, any customers feel not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. It's really good after sales service, right? And for this product, here Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. Actually, we're not only sealing the valve assembly, we also have the injector, the pumps, the repair kit. Any of the product, if you are interested in, please feel free to contact us. We have the WhatsApp, the Facebook, YouTube, or our website. Just one way to feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.